Hey Money Magnets, are you ready to access a business credit card with Ramp with no impact to your credit? Well, no worries. We're going to show you how to get to the bank. So let's go over to the computer so we can show you all about Ramp.
Let's get to it, y'all.
Now, let's jump right into some of these amazing benefits this card offers. Set your team free from manual expenses. That, the old way used to be what you do is, hey, I got to write out an expense report. Right. I want to make sure I don't forget anything. Yeah. But that's the old way. The new way is with Ramp, you can scan the receipt and it loads it right up into the system. You can give your staff a virtual card or a physical card. Yeah. And you can also have them download the app.
Yeah. So that way, as they swipe, is keeping up with the expenses. It's crazy how they could be out to dinner. And you know what I love about it? It'll stop expenses that they shouldn't do. So it'll stop fraud or it'll stop expenses that they shouldn't be swiping. So this is great for an expense management tool.
Most definitely. And what it does, Marvin, is it set up parameters for each one of your employees. You can set those parameters up where you can say, hey, it's okay to spend $200 here, but you can only spend $100 here.
Correct.
Marvin, it also gives you, a pre-built budget for each employee. Right. So they can't overspend.
Correct. And they can't spend fraudulently. You can actually put guardrails to stay compliant, which means, if it's no alcohol, no clubs, whatever those, parameters are that you have, you can have that where they can't purchase those things. And that protects your company.
I know you're probably thinking, what type of card is Ramp? Ramp is a corporate charge card powered by Visa Network. Unlike credit cards, charge cards require you to pay the bill in full every single month. So just keep that in mind.
Yeah, like this is not a revolving card. So this is a card where you get about 30 days to charge on it, but you have to pay it in full the next month. So you have to be careful that you're able to pay this card off in full. Otherwise, you may ruin the relationship.
And also, Marvin, just keep in mind, this card is not for a sole proprietor.
Yeah.
It's for medium to large businesses that have good revenue coming in, because that's how you're going to get approved. It is a revenue-based card.
And remember, it does not impact your credit.
Now, let's jump into how you can use the Ramp business card. Okay. You can use the Ramp business card by putting all of your business expenses on your Ramp card. Okay. Mm-hmm. You can pay your vendors. You can buy ads. You can take your clients to dinner and stock up on office supplies. Just don't forget your snacks.
Now, look, here's a strategy I would like. When I was in construction, I would have net 15, net 30 vendors, right? What I learned later is a financial strategy. I would use those 15 to 30 days from my other vendors. Then I would use a card like Ramp, if I had this, to pay them. Now I just stretched out another 30 days. And that helps when it comes to cash flow and your ending balance on your bank statements.
That's right, Marvin, because we're always talking about it's not what you make, it's what you keep.
That's right.
Cash flow, it's very important.
Cash flow is king.
Okay, Marvin, let's jump into the rewards because that's what I like.
Look, it definitely has rewards. It has unlimited 1.5% cash back up to $175,000 in partner perks and free time saving software. Now, remember, you can spend on anything and get industry leading 1.5% cash back. Ramp corporate card puts the most money back in your pocket so you can invest even more in the growth of your company. Like, guys, cards like this, remember, are going to be the wave of the future. You not only can do expense management, you can also have a charge card where you get about 30 days to pay this money back.
Guys, I really like this because I'm all about the rewards and all about the benefits. And I'll be trying not to let Marvin keep up with what I'm spending. So I can take the rewards and get some extra shopping done.
Nice.
Okay, so now that we've told you all the amazing benefits of this card, let's do a quick recap.
Okay.
Think about you get 1.5% cash back on this card. That's absolutely amazing.
It is.
I love to shop, so that 1.5% will be amazing. New things for the office guys.
Right.
As well as You don't pay any annual fees. And remember, guys, this is for a more seasoned business. This is not for a startup business. You want to have some good revenue stream coming in because they are going to look at your revenue stream of your business.
Yeah, I think this type of card is the wave of the future. Now you can manage all your expenses. When I had my construction company, this would have been a dream come true because trying to keep up with these type of receipts all the time would drive you crazy. So now that you can give out virtual cards and hard copy cards, this is perfect for managing your expenses. So look, I want to ask if anybody has any experience with the ramp card, please comment below. And if you can't use this video, share it with another company that probably can, because that's what we're trying to do, help the community out.
Okay, and Marvin, let me drop a little gem for you guys.
Okay.
If you're having problems with, hey, I don't know which cards to apply for.
Right.
I don't know how to raise business capital for my business. Hey, we have a mentorship that we can help you with that.
Yeah.
We know all the plays where we can get you to the bag.
Yeah, we had one member in our mentorship. He joined at about 12:48. In 2 hours or less, he had $30,000 deposited into his account. So we get some amazing results in our mentorship.
Yes, and guess what? You'll get to work with me and Marvin.
And look, if you want to know about another fintech company, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.